So this is the Shark Freestyle Tide Watch. The battery needs to be replaced. I usually send it back for battery replacement because I know there's something with the gasket in here. But I'm going to try doing it myself. So here we go. First thing you need is one of them tiny little Phillips head screwdrivers. Alright, so I remove the 4 screws. Then this thing just pops out. Probably going to have to do it with the there you go. Just fell right over. As you can see, this one, that's where the gasket is. So you just want to be careful with that, you don't mess with it. And when you put it back on, you put it tight. So I'm going to grab one of those batteries and let's do this. Surprisingly, I actually had this in my cabinet. 2032, that's what this watch uses. As you can see there, it says press reset switch after reinstalling the battery. With the positive is the flat side up. 2032. So I don't know what the reset switch is. I gotta look into that now before I do this. This part was a little tough because this thing was down. I had to use these tweezers to like grab it, push it down a little bit, and then it popped up. Then I just slid the new one in and pushed the thing back down, and it clicked into place. Then I just with this little screwdriver, I did like that one, then that one, then that one, then that one, and then I tightened them all, kind of like you're doing a tire, just to make sure it was all even. Also, right when I put this on, I had to hold down the reset button for a few seconds because it was alarming. So that must be like what this was, the sticker that was on there when I opened it. It said press reset after reinstalling the battery. So like right when I pushed this back on, it was like beep 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 beep. So I held the reset button and then it stopped. And now, as you can see, boom. How cool is that? And light. So yeah, I used to send this out. I think I used to pay a decent amount of money, but now I did it myself. So hopefully this helps somebody. Alright. I might make another one. I have another one. A different model. Later.